This is a walking foot sewing machine. If you notice, the feet go up and down as the material goes underneath the needle. The needle itself is moving backwards and forward. This is called compound feed. And this is just what you want when you desire to make automobile interiors. The walking foot compound feed system is designed to handle heavy materials. Although this piece of sew foam with vinyl on it is not the heaviest thing I've sewn, it's still pretty substantial. Most likely a regular Singer's Model 66 or a 1591, which are really dressmakers, would have a hard time handling this as well. I'm also regulating the speed by having my right hand on the wheel and adding some drag. When it comes to a corner, you'll lift up the presser bar, put it on a slight angle like this, give it a couple of manual turns. In this case, I'm just doing one. Then straighten out the work and continue down. This machine is a Consew 225. I installed a reliable 4000 servo motor onto it and switched the pulley on the motor from 90 millimeters to 50 millimeters. By doing that, I've cut down the speed of the motor in half. I mean, I'm sure there's plenty of people out there who can stitch real fast, but it's not for me. For the most part, this is precision work. Precision and slow are two words that go hand in hand in my life, in my vocabulary. As you see, I'm finished. I backstitched. I cut, and I am done. You'll want to cut all these little fibers off here